Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So have you been trying to get the 5 million daily combo coin on the Hamster Kombat Telegram application? And most of the cards you'll be needing to unlock this daily combo are actually locked. Just like so, and like so. I posted a video on my channel recently and I got a comment on my channel that looks exactly like so. So if you're having the same issue and you have been looking for a way out to unlock most or virtually all of your Hamster Kombat daily combo cards, stick around with me on this video and I'll show you the exact ways which you can use to unlock most or virtually all of your Hamster Kombat daily combo cards. So in this tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to unlock those cards in two ways. One of the ways of unlocking the daily combo cards is by referral. I'll take an example from one of the cards that will be needing referrals to unlock. For example, we are on PR and themes now. We'll move down to markets so that we can search, and I'll be explaining to you how this works. So for the cards that needs referral to unlock them, for example, we have this card here that says prediction markets. On this prediction market, you can see LVL0, invite 2 friends. So for this card, before you can have access to this card here, you need to have invited at least 2 friends as your downliner to be able to unlock this particular card, which is the prediction markets, in order to access or unlock this card. If you move down a bit again, let's see where we can have other cards that has referral. Let's go to legals. On legals, we can see this other card here that says license Japan and license Ethiopia. For license Japan, you need to invite at least 1 friend. It says invite plus 1 more friends. This account I'm logged into now does not have any referral. So once you invite somebody, this card will automatically opens up. And if you invite 2 friends, the license Ethiopia will automatically unlock itself. If you invite 3 friends, the license India will automatically unlock itself. If you invite 4 friends, the license Bangladesh will automatically unlock itself, and so on and so forth. Automatically, if you invite 4 friends serving as your downliner, all the cards that has a referral level of level 1 to level 4 will automatically unlock on your Hamster Kombat Telegram app. So with all that being said, let's move on to how you can unlock other cards aside the referral. So for example, now we can see some of our cards here are locked. We can see we have this card here that says the Hamster Tube. The Hamster Tube is locked and is at level 0. So if you try to access this card now, you will not get any prompt on this card. However, the easiest way for you to unlock this card now is to buy another card which is already opened, or it might be locked for you to access. So for example, we have this Master Tube card with a profit per hour of 90 at a level of 0. You needed the Hamster Book level 5 to access this card. What this simply means is that for you to unlock the Hamster Tube, you need to have unlocked the Hamster Book at level 5. Once you do that, the Hamster Tube will automatically unlock itself. Let's take, for example, we want to unlock the Hamster Tube with a profit per hour of 90 and it's at level 0. You have to unlock the Master Book at level 5. What this simply means is that you go and look for the card that says Master Book. Sometimes these cards are close to each other, but other times this card can be found on other places like your markets, legals, and even specials. So on specials, you always go to new cards for you to have access to other cards. So for this particular card now, it's still located on the PR and themes. The Hamster Book level 5 is just next to the Hamster Tube which you want to unlock. What you have to do to unlock this card is to buy the Hamster Book up to level 5. As you can see, the Hamster Book now is at level 0. You click on it and you buy. When you buy, you have automatically moved the Hamster Book to level 1, as you can see there. When you buy it again, you have automatically moved the Hamster Book to level 2. You buy it again, you have automatically moved the hamster book to level 3. You upgrade again to what? Level 4. Now we need it at level 5 to unlock the master tube. So once you buy it for the last time and it's on level 5, the hamster tube automatically unlocks. As you can see, you can now have access to the master tube. As simple as that. So you can go through all of these stages at your leisure time and you'll be able to buy all of your Hamster Kombat cards. But mind you, you need coins to have access to buying all or some of these cards needed to open the next card. Let's take an example again. We have this TikTok is at level 0 and the TikTok is locked. For you to unlock this TikTok, you need to buy the hamster gram at level 3. So you go to hamster gram now and you see that the hamster gram at level 0 is locked. However, you need to buy the hamster tube at level 8 to unlock the hamster gram for you to be able to unlock TikTok. What do you do now? You look at the hamster gram and it says that you should be at hamster tube level 8 before you can access the hamster gram. So you look for the hamster tube. Is the card we just unlocked not long. So you go to hamster tube. This is hamster tube now. You need to unlock the hamster tube at level 8. For now, the hamster tube is at level 1. So we buy it at level 2. We upgrade again to level 3. Then we upgrade to level 4. You buy again level 5, then level 6. You click, go ahead to level 7. We need it at level 8 to unlock the hamster gram. So once you buy it for the last time to upgrade to level 8, the hamster gram automatically unlocks itself. So let's go ahead and see what happens. So you can see we are at level 8 now and automatically the hamster gram has unlocked itself. And we needed hamster gram at level 3 to unlock TikTok. So you have to purchase hamster gram. You go ahead to level 1, you upgrade to level 1, then you go ahead to level 2 and also you buy for the last time level 3. Once you do that, automatically TikTok has unlocked. So you can see now your TikTok is unlocked. So with this simple hack, you can go through all your Hamster Kombat cards. Having enough coins on your wallet, you'll be able to buy most, if need be, all of your hamster combo cards to be able to partake in the daily combo cards. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also if you are new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get updated each time I post amazing content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon and see you in my next video.